Hello and welcome back here on my channel. Today I would like to share some ideas how you could package your handmade products for inspiration. So let's get started. I think these paper cupcake liners are such a great and economic way to make something really look cute and interesting. So let's say you have like a bath truffle, you could just add it in your cupcake liner and then into a cellophane bag. You could add a ribbon to it and, for example, add a peg for interest. And I'm gonna also put a sticker explaining what it is. And there you have a bath truffle packaged up. And here is another variation. Let's say you're using a tin or a jar for that matter, maybe for a product in it like cream or a round soap. You could just have some stickers. There are so many possibilities in the stores, and just decorate the tin with some stickers. And you already have a very simple but very cute box. Or here is another variation. Then I found this very inexpensive craft paper bags, so to speak, and it just has this little hat attached and then the eyes and a little pompon here for the nose. Very simple. This gave me the idea that you could actually just buy the craft bags and then do the rest yourself. If you have such a bag, a tissue paper is a nice way to elevate any type of gift bag or gift box. These here are bigger variations of the same gift bag, but they open like this. This could also be something that you can make yourself. And here with Santa. I'm also going to leave a link for similar items that you can find in your own area. You can find many possibilities of these sturdy gift boxes, which are really cool and come in handy, especially if you're not good in making packages. Also, by putting a tissue paper in it, it will immediately elevate the look. So these are some examples that I have here. This reindeer one here, really cute. There is also a gingerbread man and a gingerbread house. Also a cool idea. Also, if you are making a gift for a gentleman, I think that these boxes here, like treasure boxes, are super cool. Again, you add some shreds or some tissue paper in here, and then you add the products, and it makes a super cool appearance. And you can even use the box once you unpackaged your gift, so to speak. Let's see how you can make your own gift boxes by using these We Are Memory Keepers punch boards. I have a couple of those. I'm going to show you some possibilities. This one is the pillow box. And the good thing about these punch boards is that the instruction come right onto the board, so you don't have to look for it and so forth. So all you need is paper. I chose one here, a block, a Christmas specific block, and I want to try, see if I can make a nice pillow box. The board also comes with a bone folder. So let's see. We punch and we score. Then we move it over here. We punch again. We score. Then we turn it around. We do the exact same thing. So now we can also do the knocks here with the reverse punch. Just add these here. And I think a handmade product in a handmade packaging makes such a difference. Just gonna press this down a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my adhesive. Got these corners, I forgot. And then we can assemble the pillow box. And of course, if you cut it shorter, then your box will be shorter. But this is a cute idea. Let's say if you want to make a gift like a hand cream or some lip balms or some little samples or a mini soap, anything like that. And then you could also go ahead and decorate this further. Let's say you add a ribbon to it. And then choose another paper. Say this one here. Just trim off the excess here. And there you have a super cute pillow box. So the next punch board that I wanted to talk to you about is this envelope punch board. Not only can you make envelopes with it, but you can create boxes fitting exactly something that you want to package. So let's say I have my soap and I have, again with the design paper, a little bit sturdy paper, I made a box that is exactly the measurements of my square soap. And you can find a video where I go into details how to make such a box down in the description. So let's say we do have this box here, and then we secure it with some adhesive. Decorate it a bit further. Again, I'm gonna take my scallop punch, a ribbon here, and add some adhesive to it. Another gadget that I absolutely love is the gift box punch board. So it can make quite large gift boxes. And again, I have a more detailed video here on my channel that I'm going to link below. So here again, I have just some paper, 30 by 30 centimeters. It takes just a couple of minutes to make these gift boxes. And the instructions are here again on the board. You can just easily follow and go along. And then we turn it around and we do the exact same thing here. For this particular gift box, you don't need any adhesive because it has a reverse punch that I'm going to show you in just a second. You can already see how the box gets assembled. Now here, it's very interesting because you have this reverse punch. I'll show you here. The reverse punch. So you insert the paper here. And then what it does, it gives this slit here that holds the box together. So now this is a nice box, but we can decorate it a little further. What do you think? Another gadget that I absolutely love is this tag maker. It makes 3 different sizes. So you have to cut your paper according to one of the sizes and then you push it all the way in. You punch and there you have a super cute tag. Now I wanted to go and decorate this a little bit. First of all, I add a gold circle. You could also buy these little, these little rings to put around the holes. But now I'm gonna add a candy cane and a little Santa sticker as well. Then I found some cute pegs with Santa on it that I'm gonna add as well. And to finish everything, I'm gonna add a ribbon here on top. And I can add this one here to the box. Here you can see another variation with a different type of tag. For this holiday season, I wanted to create something cool for us to wear. This particular design here is available on different items such as hoodies, t-shirts and also sweaters in different colors. There are also mugs and stickers to choose from. You will find the products underneath this video. Happy holidays! I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to check out the playlist here on the screen for more projects around the subject of soap making. I hope to see you very soon in another video and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!